Good afternoon again, everybody. We're still here at the Gear Up for Dad series in the second level of the atrium. And as promised, we have here with us 3 awesome cycling dads who are about to embark on an epic journey around the Philippines in 60 days. I would like to introduce and call on Mr. Roberto Querimit, who is 65 years old, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Sergio Dueñas Jr., who's 61, and Mr. Oliver Nebres, who is 33 years old. Let's please give them a round of applause. Woo! So, tatanungin ko lang po sila ng mabilis dun sa gagawin nilang epic bike tour all around the Philippines. This is brought to us by Mars Kingdom and Sava Bikes. Ang gagawin po ng 3 awesome cycling dads na ito at cycling lolos na din daw po. Although hindi naman po halata, sir, na cycling lolos na tayo. What they will do is they will bike all around the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And the challenge is they have to finish the ride in 60 days. So yung mga normal po na riders natin, wala pang nakakagawa nito anywhere in the history of the Philippines and of the cycling community. Wala pang nakakagawa nito. And the fact that sila Sir Sergio po and si Sir Roberto and of course si Oliver, ang ating medyo batang-batang participant sa ride na ito, they will attempt to do it in 60 days. That is such an awesome feat. Tanong ko lang po, sir, saan po kayo pupunta banda sa Pilipinas dito sa ride na to?
Mag-umpisa kami ng Luzon, umpisa kami ng Manila to Tarlac, and then Tarlac to Pangasinan or either Olongapo, and then we proceed to La Union, and then to Vigan and Batak, Lawag City. And then we proceed to Pagudpud, the windmill, and then to Gigarao. Back to Luzon via Nueva Ecija, Dalton Pass. We think we're going to Banawi. From Pangasinan, we proceed first to Baguio City. I think we are in 4 days in the Baguio to see the terraces, the nice terraces. In Baguio, some tourist spots in that place. And then we proceed to Manila. We start at Lunita, I think Lunita to Laguna, and then to Lucena, up to Bicol. Then we proceed to Visayas, like Tacloban, Samar, and then to Liloan, proceed to Butuan, part ng Mindanao, and then we back to Iloilo, I think Palawan, and then back to Cebu, and Bacolod, and Palawan and then back to Mindoro, and then back to Manila.
Guys, sa dami ng sinabi nilang lugar, medyo nahilo na ako. Right? This is awesome, sir. Para po magawa ninyo ito for the first time sa history ng bansa natin. At sa edad nyo pong yan na batang-bata, saludo po kami sa inyo. Do you guys agree? Do you agree? This is awesome. This is something that is very remarkable. It will be in the history of the Philippines. Maitanong ko lang po, bakit po naisipan ninyo na gawin tong bike tour? Oliver?
Naisipan namin gawin tong bike tour para i-promote ang Philippines sa pamamagitan ng pagbibisikleta. Lalong-lalo na sa mga daddy na hindi lang porke daddy, hindi na mag-exercise. Kailangan po nating mag-bike to promote tourism in the Philippines.
Kayo po, sir.
kailangan po natin mag-bike para makatipid sa gasolina. Kaya magbabike po kami para i-promote yung mga magagandang tanawin po sa ating bansa. At sa pamamagitan ng sponsor ng Mars Kingdom, itong mga Saba Bike, ikutin po namin ng Pilipinas na promote namin ang biking. Salamat po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Pwede po ba natin silang palakpakan ng malakas na malakas? Dahil hindi po talaga biro yung susuungin nila na challenge. Again, they will embark on an epic tour around the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao on their bikes. And they have to complete this in 60 days. Sir, good luck po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po in advance sa lahat, on behalf po ng lahat ng mga bikers sa Pilipinas, enthusiasts man or nag-iisip man na mag-start mag-bike. You are such an inspiration po. Sana po marami pa po tayong maengganyo na mga dad at lolo na din na kahit na po anong edad, really, it just goes to prove yung biking po walang pinipiling edad. Bata, matanda, kahit ano, even gender po. We had as our guests in the previous days also Team Ariana Dormitorio, who is our #1 female mountain biker here in the country. And she has won several awards already internationally. Marami po talaga tayong talented na bikers dito. At again, salamat po sa inyo for helping us spread the word about biking and of course, tourism in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin sila ulit.